Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a super quick and easy biscuit recipe using 4 cups of a biscuit mix. Today I'm using bisquick, 1 stick of melted butter, 1 cup of Mountain Dew, I'm choosing to use Baja Blast, and 1 cup of sour cream. These are all our ingredients, so let's get them moved out of the way and we'll start bringing our biscuits together. In my mixing bowl, I've gone ahead and added my 4 cups of bisquick. Next in is going to go my 1 cup of sour cream, followed by my 1 cup of Mountain Dew. And then all we need to do is stir this until it's all completely combined. Once you get your dry ingredients mixed in with your wet ingredients, be sure that you go in and check the very bottom that there's no dry ingredients hanging out down there. It might take a little bit of time for this to come together, but just be patient with it. It will all incorporate in. The first thing we're going to do is add about half of our butter to the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch pan. And then you want to make sure to spread this evenly throughout the bottom of it. Here we go. Now using a cookie scoop or an ice cream scoop, whatever you've got, just to make them even, just start scooping your biscuits out on top of the butter. Now this is going to go into a 450 degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're baked all the way through and lightly golden brown on top. The Mountain Dew biscuits are out of the oven and they do smell absolutely incredible. I can't wait to dive in here and try one of them out. I did let them cool for just a little bit. They were piping hot when they came out of the oven and just way too hot to try at first. Oh wow, those are really good. These are very good. Incredibly light and fluffy. It's surprising how fluffy they are and how much they rose. Incredibly soft too. You do get a very subtle hint of the Baja Blast Mountain Dew in it, but it's not overwhelming. And as you can see, I've fixed up a breakfast sandwich here, which is how I'm going to be enjoying them for dinner. And yeah, I will definitely be making these again, though I may experiment with other flavors of soda to see which ones work just as well as the Baja Blast does. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If y'all have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you and what soda flavor you chose to use. A huge thank you to my good friend Heather over at the Pixel Gamer Girl channel for pointing me in the direction of this recipe. I've had an absolute blast making it. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.